Alright. Gotta be careful with my little girl. Sorry about that view. Come on, darling. They don't want to look at your bum. Come on. Alright, so looks like I'm going to have to hold her because I don't want to run her running off. But that's alright. So you can get a bit of an idea. Sweetheart, come here. Come on. Come on. Ready? Come on. Come on. Alright. So, 30 of these. So you're going to brace yourself with your arms, legs out, and you're going to crunch up slightly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20, 29, that's 30, keep going. 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's 40 I did. So now what I'm going to do is a crossbody mountain climber. Excuse the angle, but this way you can see what I'm doing with my legs. So you want to get a twist through your torso. You want to go right across and then twist. So you go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Again, this way would be like so, where we're going 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, abs are on fire now. And now, what I'm going to get you to do, last one, is just hold a power boat pose. So we're going like that. Oh, that's a bad angle. Well, it's a good angle, but it's a hard angle. So we're just going to go, hold them up, squeeze your abs. Lucy, come here. Ah! All right, come here. All right, that's one set. So we're going to go. Come on, darling. Move out of the way. Camera hog, isn't she? So we're going to do, come. We're going to do one set. Come on. Come on. You want to say hello? Say hello. Say hello, little one. Beautiful girl. All right. So that's about 30 seconds rest. So we're going to go again. Lulu. Darling, move, please. Move. Yes, silly girl. Come on, move. Thank you. All right. See what we can get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 19, 20. Oh, they're burning. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. All right, straight into your cross bodies. So I'll try a different angle. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, so my abs are on fire. So hold again. Squeeze your abs. 1, 2, 3. Oh, high. Oh, oh, oh. So that, even now, my abs are on fire. That's a killer workout. So 3 sets, supersets. I'm getting 30 on the first one. And then on that one, I think it was 12 each side. So that's another 40, 50. You know, you're looking at over 60 reps, really. So, again, 30 to 45 seconds rest. Oh, look at that. Look in your eye, little girl. Let's get that out of your eye. That's it. All right. So, we'll see how we go. But I said my abs are on fire now. What I'll do, I'm starting to warm up real quick. Take my stuff off, shirt off, jumper off, and then we're going to do another set straight away. Right, so I'll use this because the rock is not the most comfortable. All right. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. See? That's on fire. Because you're not resting long, you know, your reps and your times are going to go down. So try to get a bigger range of movement on this one. 3, 4. The first one's more just a constant tension, so your range of movement's not that important. But this one, you want to really twist on those obliques to get them firing and working. I don't know how many I'm on, but it's burning. We'll go 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, back like this. Hold. Okay. Hands out. Powerboat hold. On the top of the rocks in the mountains. Yeah, right. Hello, Lucy. Wow. All right, so to get your picture, it's all about rest. When you train. You know, put it in. You don't have to sit there for an hour. You don't have to sit there for an hour and a half. You don't even have to sit there for 45 minutes. You know, we're on 7 minutes 20, and that's me talking in between it too. We're probably going to do 2 more sets. So stop talking. And practice what you preach. All right, see what we can get. 1, 2, 3, 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. Whew. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. Oh, this is the killer. Let me tell you, just from here, because you're squeezing and contracting your abs just to hold it up. Oh, burning. Right. So, there's my heart rate up. We've done 4 sets, and it's been nigh on coming up to 8-9 minutes. So we're going to get this done within 10 minutes. Okay, I guarantee. To everyone trying this is the first time, you're going to not want to laugh, and you're going to be sore again tomorrow. All right, so later on, what I'm going to do is a killer chest workout today. You can see my chest starting to come up a little bit. I'll take my shirt off and show you where I'm at, especially with my sagging skin at the beginning of this 6 weeks, so you can check out where I am, and we can, you know, reevaluate and have a look as we go along and see how our progress is going along as well. So, see you this afternoon for a killer chest workout. All right, I've got 1 more set of these. And then we're done. All right. Okay, I'm going to smash this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lucy, come here. 18, 20. Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. Sorry, she's getting really close to the edge there. So I'll just grab her, hold her for a sec. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Twist as much as you can. 10, 11. By the way, that leg workout yesterday, my legs, oh, ouch. It was sitting, and that's day after. The DOMs are not going to kick in till tomorrow. We all know what DOMs are, don't we? Delayed onset of muscle soreness. All right, let's hold. 1, 3. All right, guys. So there you have it. The girl's looking down here at these cows. She loves cows. She kisses them. Every other animal, maybe not so much. But all right, thanks, guys. There you go. So that's a ab workout as a variation. So as a variation with that, you know, you don't need to do it where I am. If you've got a park outside, okay? If you've got 15 minutes, you know, a couple of minutes to walk there, 5 minutes to walk there and back, do your ab workout, 10 minutes, there you go, boom, okay? My abs are on fire, realistically. Like I said, I'll do a bit more of a shot today with the chest workout, and we can gauge what we're doing, what we're starting with, so we can see our before and after pictures. All right, if I don't see you this afternoon, have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, everybody, and see you all soon. Bye. I'm going to enjoy this day. It is absolutely spectacular, and this place is just magnificent. I'm going to go and spend lots of time with this beautiful girl, aren't you? Yes. She just loves kisses and attention, don't you? Yes.